If you walk along the mudflats of the River Thames at Rainham, you'll find a graveyard, not of people, but of giants. They look like the ribs of some prehistoric beast, or perhaps a post-apocalyptic city rising out of the silt.
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I came somewhere local, just at the River Thames. I'll just go and see what's better here. Okay, let's get out. Okay guys, I got some wind shade, came down at the river, just at the barges here. Let's take the drone out. Yes, good. Okay. Ready? Let's go.
These are the Rainham Concrete Barges, and their story takes us back to the darkest days of the Second World War. It seems against the laws of physics. Concrete shouldn't float. It's heavy. It's brittle, and it's meant for sidewalks, not ships. But in 1944, Great Britain was desperate. Steel was in critically short supply. It was needed for tanks, guns, and planes. So, engineers turned to an ancient, forgotten technology: reinforced concrete. These vessels, specifically the PB type, or petrol barges, were built to support the D-Day landings. The plan was for them to be towed across the channel, acting as floating fuel stations or part of the massive Mulberry Harbor artificial ports. Look closely at the decay. You can see the iron skeleton beneath the concrete skin. They were cheap to build, quick to assemble, and didn't require skilled shipbuilders, just construction workers pouring cement. Despite their heavy appearance, they were surprisingly seaworthy. However, they had no engines of their own. They were the silent workhorses of the war, designed to be towed by tugs into the heat of the action. But here is the irony. Many of these barges never saw combat. By the time they were finished, the war was winding down, and the urgent need for them had passed. So, why are they sitting here in the Essex mud? After the war, they had a surplus of these stone boats. In 1953, a massive storm flooded Thames estuary, devastating the area. To reinforce the damaged seawalls, these barges were towed here, filled with mud, and sunk intentionally. They were built to save a nation, but they ended up saving the marshland. Today, they serve a new purpose. They are a haven for birds, and a haunting reminder of wartime ingenuity. They are the concrete ghosts of the Thames, still holding the line, 80 years later. If you enjoyed this glimpse into history, drop a like and subscribe for more.
guys, that was nice.